I started my own business while I'm working full-time as an HR manager. So one day I can quit the 9 to 5 rat race. It's a commercial cleaning company and I'm in month 6 of working in my business part-time. And yeah, I also make YouTube videos. And sometimes I wonder if I'm delusional for thinking I can do so many things at once and do them well. The idea of this video is to answer questions that I think people would probably want to know with someone that's working in their full-time job while they grow their business part-time. I want to be at a point in life where I wake up every morning doing something I love doing. I look at my job as a dream job, but I think it's a dream job for the old me. The company and the people I work with, they're great and everything, but I think I'm at a stage where I've outgrown it. It just doesn't excite me anymore. And maybe it never really did. You know, it was more like, this is my career, this is my bread and butter, and if I had a chance to have this be my dream job, what would that look like? And no, it's what I wanted it to look like at that point in my life. My mind has just been opened up to the possibilities of so many other things that I can be doing that are more aligned to my values and who I am. And I just feel like I've outgrown that version of me that was in survival mode, and now I'm becoming the version of me that's here to thrive and do what she loves to do. When I started university on a small island, all the colleges and universities and programs to choose from are just focused on getting us prepared for traditional jobs, right? The lawyers, doctors, teachers, the corporate jobs. They don't really teach you about the less traditional jobs or even entrepreneurship in school, not really, right? I feel like they want to keep us as sheep. And I just happened to close my eyes and choose something that I thought I could be good at. After about 10 years of doing it, I was like, all right, I'm kind of over this now. Even when I planned to move to Canada and I was thinking about school and what career path I was going to take, I was just itching to do something else, and that made me realize that maybe I should be doing something else. You know, I wanted to do something like interior design, but I had blinders on, and that was the goal. The goal was to stay here and to live here, and I had to be strategic about it, so I chose HR again as a field of study. You know, then you start adulting and you have real bills and responsibilities, and just got to a stage where there are other people depending on me, so I essentially just closed myself off to the possibilities of other things. And now the focus became like, how do I climb the corporate ladder? How do I earn more money doing the same things even though I may no longer be interested in it, right? So I felt like, seriously, I felt like I was digging myself deeper and deeper into a hole, and I just couldn't get myself out of it. So I had to ask myself, what is it that I like to do, you know? I know I like being creative and inspiring and motivating people, and that looks a lot like YouTube. And so when I started learning about the creator economy, it helped me open my eyes to other possibilities of how to make a living, and it also helped me build more confidence, because for a very long time I was just stuck with the idea that I can't do anything else. You know, like, this is what I know, this is what I went to school for twice. I just have to remember that I'm just not a little girl anymore living on that small island. So yeah, I can change, I can evolve, I can grow, and I can do something else. Possibilities of entrepreneurial freedom. And if you don't know, the 4 entrepreneurial freedoms are freedom of time, where you get to spend your working life doing what you really enjoy doing, and having the freedom to spend time not working as well, you know, and you can have a more fulfilled life because you're pursuing other interests. Then there's freedom of money, where there's no ceiling on how much money you can make, and where people, you know, they're not dictating they're not dictating how much of that money you can keep, except the government, because the government has their hands in all our pockets. There's also freedom of relationships, where you get to choose the people on your team and even the type of customers or clients that you want. And so you spend more and more of your time surrounded just by these people that you click with, who appreciate you, and you appreciate them. And the fourth one is freedom of purpose, where your bread and butter is related to your fundamental values and ideals in life. I want to spend my time in a way that I want to spend my time. And when you have a business, you have more of an influence or more control to do that. Because when you have a job, they tell you how to spend your time, what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. It's tough, I'm not gonna lie. But I've realized that I don't have to drop everything to do it. I can slowly build my business on the side while working full time. So I just rather work toward my goal in a steady way, in a steady pace. Some people say burn your ships, and I've burned my ships before and it didn't work out for me, and I still have a ways to go, and I'd just rather work slowly towards my goals. I feel like the less pressured and less stressed I am, the easier things come to me. So I create YouTube videos and work on my business when I'm not working at my 9-to-5 job. Mostly it's mornings and weekends. I just know what I need to accomplish that day. I've chosen a pace that I'm comfortable with, and it's landed me 8 clients so far. So yeah, I'll just keep at that pace. I've always wanted to have my own business. I've dabbled in things and I've tried things and they never quite worked out. But to be honest, I just wasn't there anyway. I wasn't strong enough emotionally. I didn't have the self-worth to make it happen. But now I feel like I'm doing the work in all those areas that I've been struggling with and that I've been challenged by. I just feel like I'm evolving and changing into this whole new person. She wants to just take up more space. And what direction that's gonna take me in, I don't really know. But I know I've decided on what I no longer want to be doing, and I've decided on at least a path to get there. So yeah, thank you for listening to this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and watch this video next if you want to know how my last business venture went and what I learned about limiting self-beliefs that can hold you back as a business owner. See ya!
Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.